Hi everyone! So I made this video dahil maraming dumadaan sa feeds ko na mga disappointed sila dahil puro duplicate, kuha nilang Tiny Tan Happy Meal toy. So for today's video, I have 3 tips for you to avoid duplicates. So number 1, ask them how many kinds of toys are available because for sure, they know it. Kasi sa isang malaking box ng Happy Meal toy, isang klase lang yan. And naka-indicate doon kung anong klase ng toy yun. Number 2, so ask them what number of toy is available as of the moment. So the number of toy can be seen at the back of the blind box itself. So here's the blind box, and the number is written here at the back. This one. That's why the McDonald's employees knows which Tiny Tan toy is available for purchase. Number 3. So ask them if you can get or buy all the toys from the Tiny Tan collection. Wala namang masamang mag-try. But if you will buy all of them, hindi na exciting because you will lose the essence of the blind box. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you've learned something from me. Good luck!